Welcome to the project demonstration of helmet detection and alerting system using Arduino Uno along with MATLAB and Python, and the status displayed on the 16:2 LCD screen. So first of all, we need to connect the Arduino Uno to the laptop at this slot. So whenever you change the USB slot, the COM number will changes. So to get the COM number, just go to this PC and right click on that, go to manage, and in that go to device manager to get the COM number. So click on the device manager, there you get the ports. So when Arduino Uno connected, so just click on that, you'll get the COM number as COM7. So note on this COM number COM7, and in our project, go to this menu project folder and keep all these files here. And from here you can just open the code, so this mini code.mlx in the MATLAB. After opening that, go to detect.py, and in that change this COM number to COM7 at the line number 56. So if it is already same USB slot, keep it as it is, and if the COM number changes, you can just change this one. And after that, go to this, and here we can enter the different images. So as of now, for demonstration purpose, we are using the images. In this one, around 10 images we are demonstrating this. So 1 to 10. In that, in the fifth image doesn't have the helmet, fifth image, and remaining 4 and so 3 and 2 has the images. So you can just enter any image whichever we want. For that purpose, go to this, and in this 71 line number, right, so in this we need to enter the image. So let us see 4, enter the 4 and run section. So once the image process successfully done, then on LCD display we'll get that output and green light will get switched on. You can see that helmet detected for the particular image as we have entered the 4. Now let us enter the 5 and run section. Right, no helmet detected. So let us see those images. So there we can already store them in so-called address expression 34 folder. Go to that. In this runs detect. So check that. What is that actually? 43. Right, so open the 43. Recent one is no helmet, right? So as you can see, the image with pointed towards the head, helmet without helmet, and the same for previous one is 42. Right, so this is the fourth image we have entered for the demonstration purpose. So we can see the fourth image also here previously tested.